CLSK stock analysis, Thursday and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm seeing a retracement that's exactly inside a demand area. Therefore, like, I'm still looking to obviously take it up. I mean, just for context, doesn't mean that I'm going to randomly buy. And by the way, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, so I have seen what has worked for me, what has not, up until this point. The only guy that has like documented as much green stuff as I've done from this character on my YouTube channel. So with CLSK, yeah, although like my most recent prediction was a -1R, which is a loss, this is a prime example where I'm not going to pull the trigger unless I see a proper double break, and that's it. So stay tuned. I think with CLSK we've had like a lot of other receipts like this long as well, so you get the point. Other than that, if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Comments are open, so I will keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.